Hi kids, Namaskar. Today in this video we are going to see the homework of yesterday. Yes, we are going to discuss the homework of yesterday. Along with it we are going to do practicing grammar action words. Alright, so let's get started with the homework portion first. Take out your textbook, page number 38, and let us discuss yesterday's homework first. B1. First one we had already done yesterday. So we are going to do B1 here. B is what the boy is having. Dumbbells, they are heavy. So we will write H-E-A-V-Y, heavy. And what would be the opposite of heavy? Light. So we will write L-I-G-H-T, light. Light is the antonym of heavy. Alright, now come to C1. What is he doing? He is driving fast. So we will write F-A-S-T, fast. What would be the antonym of fast? Slow. So we will write antonym slow. Now come to D1. What is it? It's a giraffe, and giraffe is a tall animal. So we will write tall. And what would be the opposite of tall? Short. S-H-O-R-T, short. Now come to E1. What he is doing? He is a boy and he is standing. Now we have to guess which word it is. Thin. He is thin. तो thin का opposite क्या होता है? Fat. F-A-T, fat. Antonym word is fat. Now come to F1. What is it? It's a jewel, and it's a costly jewel. So we will write costly. What would be the antonym of costly? Cheap. C-H-E-A-P, cheap. So I hope that all of your homework is correct and you have checked it with me. Alright, now come to open page number 39, practicing grammar. Practicing grammar, the topic is action word. Action word हमने language ladder में पढ़ लिया था. Alright, ये हमने language ladder में किया था. उसमें हमने देखा था कि action word को doing words और verb भी बोला जाता है. Alright, and the word that tells us what something or somebody does are called doing words. Such doing words are what? Verb. और verb क्या होता है? Verb is an action word और it denotes a certain action done by the subject. ये हमने देखा था language ladder में. अब चलो यहाँ पे भी देख लेते हैं एक बार. The word that tell about the work done are called action words. मतलब ऐसा word जो हमें बताता है कि कुछ काम हुआ है किसी से, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Action words. Alright. So let us do the exercise. Complete the sentences. They had given us helping hand, and we have to consider this helping hand as a help box, and we have to complete this blanks. Alright, so let's start the first one. The man dash his car in the morning. Play, live, teaches, bakes, clean. Yes, we will write cleans. The man cleans his car in the morning. Now the next one is my grandparent dash in Mumbai. My grandparents live in Mumbai. So we will write live over here. Then my mother dash cakes for us. My mother bakes cakes for us. Then I dash in park. What we do in park? We play. So we will write I play in park. The children dash in their notebooks. The children write in their notebooks. Then F1. The teacher dash the children. The teacher teaches. Teacher क्या करती है? पढ़ाती है ना आपको. So the teacher teaches the children. Alright. Now come to page number 4, 040. Question number 2. What we have to do here is look at the picture. What are the children doing in the picture? Write sentences to describe their action. Choose suitable action words from the given box. Here also they are provided us a helping box. What we have to do is with the help of this helping hand, हमको इन बच्चों के एक्शन वर्ड्स को लिखना है. Alright, so चलो हम ट्राई करते हैं. सेकेंड नंबर पे किसका नाम लिखेंगे? फर्स्ट नंबर पे तो लिखा हुआ है Jatin is playing. Jatin is playing. Then we will write Ravi. What Ravi is doing? Sitting. Let us check. इसमें sitting दिया है कि नहीं? Yes, sitting is here. So we will write Ravi is sitting. Alright. After that Adi. What Adi is doing? Adi is doing exercise. So we will write Adi is exercising. Adi is exercising. Alright, now come to fourth one. What Mohit is doing now? Mohit is cycling. So we will write Mohit is cycling. Now dear kids, from 5th to 10th is your homework. So take and make like this and write it down homework. What you have to do is जो भी नेम्स बच गए हैं वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं और हेल्प बॉक्स में से जो वर्ड्स हो गए हैं उसको एक बार कट कर देते हैं और जो भी वर्ड्स बचे हैं वो वर्ड्स को यूज करके आपको ये सारे बच्चों के एक्शंस यहाँ पे लिखने हैं जैसा कि हमने 1 to 4 में किया. Alright, so the remaining portion is your homework. Remaining portion means from 5 to 10 of page number 40. Here, see, 5 to 10, page number 40 is your homework. Okay, so bye.